Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Christopher.
Set up.
No more.
No, you have to start from the beginning. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Christopher. Happy birthday to you. Yay! What a happy boy. Is today your birthday? Yeah?
I like my birthday.
Today's Christopher's birthday.
Mom. No!
Oh, dino nuggets, huh?
Don't take it.
You're so silly.
Kitty.
Christopher,
Kitty.
I love you. I love you. Yes, I do, my birthday boy. My birthday boy. All right, Christopher. Christopher, can you say bye-bye? Bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, Brayden. You're silly.